That's steady. Whole herd of deer there. Pretty good sized deer too. It's canyon behind my house. Beginning of it. If I had a rifle, they are not far. I bet he's not 100 feet from me. And he is not afraid of me. Could care less. None of them could care less. I finally scared them. They're getting nervous about me now. This is a little bit behind my house. The canyon that's back here. And very pretty on the sunset. Very nice. Beautiful little canyon. This is where all the deer came from. They come up to the plains, which is, well, I'm actually down in it a little bit. I parked up there, but right up there is where it gets flat again.